Welcome back, little adventurers, to Moonbeam Mysteries. It's time for your bedtime story. Tonight, the Moon Fairy will take you on a journey to a magical rainforest filled with colorful friends. As the sun sets, each one is getting ready for bed. Let's say goodnight to them all and count their colors, one by one. Hello there, Red Macaw. This bright red parrot looks as red as a juicy strawberry. All day, it flies in the blue sky, searching for tasty fruit. Now, as the sun goes down, it's settling down on its branch for a quiet rest. Good night, Red Macaw. Hi, green little tree frog. This tiny frog is as green as the leaves of the jungle. It loves to hop and play between flowers and branches. Now, it's resting on a leaf, closing its eyes for sleep. Good night, little frog. Hello, yellow toucan. With its shiny yellow beak, bright like the sun, this toucan loves to sing from the treetops. Now, it's perched on its favorite branch, eyes slowly closing. Good night, toucan. Hi there, blue butterfly. This butterfly is as blue as a clear sky. It flutters among flowers, sipping sweet nectar. Now, it's resting on a flower petal, ready for a peaceful night. Good night, blue butterfly. Hello, orange little monkey. This playful monkey has fur as bright as an orange. It loves swinging from branch to branch. Now, feeling sleepy, it yawns and lies down on a tree branch. Good night, little monkey. Can you think of anything else that's orange, little adventurers? Maybe a fallen leaf or a big, round pumpkin. Hello, little brown deer. This deer is as brown as the tree trunks in the jungle. It loves to run across the meadow, searching for fresh leaves and sweet berries. Now, it has found a cozy, warm spot on the soft grass to rest. Good night, dear. Hi, purple little snake. This snake is purple, like the flowers in the rainforest. It quietly slithers on the ground. Now, it curls up under a big leaf, ready to rest. Good night, little snake. Hello, pink flamingo. This flamingo's feathers are as pink as flower petals. It loves loves standing in the water. But now, it's lowering its head, ready for a cozy sleep. Good night, Flamingo. Hi, Gray Tapir. The tapir's skin is gray like a stone. It enjoys wandering along the jungle paths. Now, it lies on the soft grass under a tree, closing its eyes. Good night, Tapir. Hello, White Cockatoo. The cockatoo's feathers are as white as fluffy clouds. It always rests high up in the trees. Now, it's curling up quietly, ready for sweet dreams. Good night, Cockatoo. The night is now calm and quiet. Little explorers, you've done such a great job saying goodnight to all the rainforest friends. Now, you too can close your eyes and drift off into dreamland, just like them. Good night, little adventurers. And good night, rainforest friends.